channel. Today we're going to be making masks. Masks are super easy. You have to try it at home.
The materials you will need for the mask: you're going to need fabric of your choice, thread, elastic, scissors. You can use a highlighter or chalk. This is fabric glue and it's optional. And you will need a plate. So you're going to put your plate right down on your fabric and you're going to use your chalk or highlighter to outline the plate. Then you're going to paste circle. You're going to have a circle of fabric. So I forgot to explain this, but your plate, you're going to want it to have be 25 to 28 centimeters for an adult in length. You're going to need 23 centimeters for a teen and 20 centimeters for a child. That's how big it is. So the next step is you're going to fold this in half. Once you folded your fabric in half, you're going to want to cut along this edge. So then you're going to get two semicircles. Okay, so the next step is you're going to fold in half so that the pattern is on the inside of the two fabric semicircles. Next part is you're going to want to sew all along here, but you want to leave 2 dots . You don't want to sew right here. You have to leave a hole here. Next thing, sew your 2 pieces together. You can use a sewing machine or thread. When you take your fabric off the sewing machine, you're going to have 2 dots here, and the next step is going to be like folding it, I guess. I'll show you. So you fold it, and then you want it to be kind of like, I don't know, it's kind of like a sack almost. No, it's more like a cap. Anyway, it's going to look like this. It's like a bowl. And then over here, you're going to sew these 2 sides. Next part is, so it's going to look like this at the end. There's going to be like a bowl here, and it's going to be all sewed up, except for this hole. And so this is why we put the hole here. You're going to flip it inside out, because we don't want the messy sewing to be on the outside. The next step is you're going to take your 2 strings and you want your elastic to be 20 centimeters for adult, 18 centimeters for teen, and 15 centimeters for child. So you're going to take 1 elastic, and your mask should be starting to look like this, kind of like up. And you're going to take your elastic. This part you can use glue or you can use thread or a sewing machine. You just want to glue your elastic right on there. So these are the final products. I hope you liked our video. Make sure to subscribe and like, And watch all our other videos on our channel.
Yours is falling down.
Bye.